What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Viccity Spazzin. I want to talk about reverb and adding effects to your vocals. When I add effects to my vocals, it depends on the reason. Is it the hook? Is it a bridge? You don't want to overdo it on the effects on the vocals all through the verse. You got to make room for that space, that feel. Too much reverb, it's gonna sound like you further back in the mix, and it's gonna make the mix very muddy. We're gonna just see how a few different tricks and tips on reverbs and delays. Also, you got flangers too. It's so many different effects. Chords. We're gonna get into all that. I just want you to hear the effects. Focus in on the effects, on how I make it very spacey, give it a slap back. Let me play this for you real quick.
Man, we go leave it up to God. 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 Been a minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time. Been a minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time. Yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God. We go leave it up to God.
When you're using effects, this is my doubler. So this is helping the vocal to be more wide in the mix. On the hook right here, these are my vocals being bust into hook. This bust right here, the effect, the doubler, well wide, it's right here. As you can see, this is my plugin that I have on it.
Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah.
Do you hear how I made the vocal sound wider just by adding this in here? Adding this plug in here? You could copy my presets. Let's go through a few presets. So what you want to do for short is turn the direct off, because you don't want it to be in the middle. You want this to be on the side. You can have it as far as you want. Look, see how I'm just grabbing it? And you listen.
Showed up to the trap on time. Been a minute since I came out. Showed up to the trap on time.
It makes it sound very wide with this plugin. There's a few different ones. I'm not about to go all through them, but for sure, take the direct out and start using your ears and pull these away onto how far you want it to be. But what I want to get into, all right, my plate reverb. I got everything named usually. Plate. I got a reverb on it. It's the wave reverb, large dark plate. Got an EQ, to get some of that mud out, that other reverb. You can put an EQ on your reverb, but some reverbs already got like EQ settings on there. But I like to just add my own on there. I don't like to do that. Another widening effect. Right here, stereo image. You can add the width. That's all I pretty much did. So let's listen in to this plate to see how it sounds.
Showed up to the trap on time. Been a minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Stay in the trap, make.
You see that? It almost made the vocal sound. How can I put it? Like your voice is echoing through some walls down the hall. It's basically what it's doing. It's kind of like it's fixing it. It's making it sound like you singing in a different environment. When what I don't know is I made a song. Me personally, this is me doing this. This is my song. Leave it up to God. At Viccity Spazzin on all platforms. How I did it was I made that song right here on this mic, right here with my friends all in the background talking. They all in the background talking when I did this.
Been a minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it.
Yeah, so as you can see with the plate,
Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah.
I know you can hear all my friends in the background when I did this song. Um, like I said, you don't necessarily hear that when you put the mix in, when that 808 hitting and those them pads and synths start playing, you don't even hear it, man. So I got a whole vocal booth where it's quiet at, but sometimes you just like to do it right here. All right, yeah. So let's go to my room reverb. Listen to the room reverb.
Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God.
You see the room reverb, it kind of hit the sides and give it a good feel like you in a good room or something like that. I can't even really put my foot on it, but it's totally different from the plate. The plate make it sound like you talking and your voice is echoing down, rather than a room make it sound like you're in a room. And when you mix those two together, it sounds very beautiful. Then when you add like a chord, like a vocal cord, stereo image, doubler, and make it sound wide. So when you put that all three together, sounds beautiful. Now let's look into this delay. And again, if you want to hear this whole song, the song will be released. I gotta check. Hold on, I forgot. I'll let you know when it be released. The full version. Let me see though. Let's listen to this delay.
Been a minute since I came outside, yeah. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God. Been a minute since I came outside, showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God. 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 Been a minute since I came outside, showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God.
See, with effects, you don't want to put too much in there to the point where you're not being creative with it. You want to be creative. You want the effect to go in when you want it to come in. So you can automate these plugins by clicking auto read right here. Auto read, and you can hit right. You see how it turned red? Now you can start recording with this effect right here just by pulling the slider down while your song is being played, and you can record it. So let me let you see how that looks. We'll start it down.
Been a minute since I came outside, showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God. 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 Stay in the trap, make it.
Now let's go over here and click waveform. First we gotta hit red. Waveform. Actually, it would be over here. Let's see. Delay level. Here you go right here. See, this is me controlling the delay.
minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time, yeah. Man, we go leave it up to God. 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 Stay in the
See, you just got to be creative with this. You can't just drown it all out with just straight delay. That's my delay 1/4. Turn over. It's my delay 1/4. Now, let's go to the delay 1/8. Same plug-in though. Let's change it up.
Been a minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time. Been a minute since I came outside. Showed up to the trap on time. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God.
See, now when you add the 1/4 delay in with the 1/8, then with the room effect, then with the plate, then with a doubler on your hook, it will sound bigger, fuller. You know, that's just adding sauce to your song. You already got your mix down with your EQ, your compressor. Remember, I just dropped a video about 3 compressors. Start trying to use 3 compressors on your vocals. It will help. It will help contain the dynamics. After that, you start putting a little sauce on it. A little delay 1/4, 1/8, room. Put a room reverb, plate, a doubler on there. You know? And your vocal will sound clean. Don't overdo it. Automate it. Or you can use audio sweep, where you can just highlight what you want. Delay. H mono. Take all these delays off. Where you can just highlight what you want to be delayed. 1/4. Little good feedback. When I want to drown it out with too much wetness. Good 27. And we're going to hit render. Let's just see.
Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God. Man, we go leave it up to God. Stay in the trap making bangers.
Or the hook coming right, or the verse coming right there. But let's redo that. Now let's just do feedback. So I want you to see the wave when you render this. Now look at it. Let's just move this. Let's listen to it.
Man, we go leave it up to God. We go leave it up to God.
You see what I'm saying? You just being creative with the effects. That's all it is to it. I will be dropping some more in-depth videos for how to get your reverb just right for you. But as you first start out, just start picking reverbs. Make sure you start out with a room, small room I got right here. A plate reverb. You know, this is a good formula right here for a basic beginner. I guarantee you that's all you really need. A doubler, you know, a 1/8 delay, and a 1/4. And that's all it is to it. Yo, tell me how y'all like this video. Let me know if y'all want to know something that maybe you don't know. And I don't mind if you tell me something I don't know. I'm all about taking in knowledge and sharing it with the world. Peace.